Okay, the last video got deleted, but
Show me
all
how
we
big
were
the
saying
water
is
is.
there's a secret beach over there. And also, what did you say your expectation of catching a fish? How big did you think it would be? No, I accidentally went out the app. So what was your expectation of how big a fish we were gonna catch is gonna be? I mean, it's a big expectation, but
I think the lure
Hey.
is bigger than that.
hey, we can hope.
The lure is bigger than this.
Yeah, there's a secret beach back there.
I just want to see someone catch a fish.
So let's give it a break for a minute.
We are.
Last one.
This is our last video, apparently.
Just
For the whole time.
For now.
And look how complicated driving a boat is.
So,
Look
be
kind of complicated.
careful.
Let me